Hello guys, review OPPO RENO 15, this version F with 256GB storage, and we have version FS with 512GB storage. Open box, look completion. In completion we have only documentary, device in the blue color, okay, and cable Type-C. That's all completion, okay. Now talk about device. On the back side triple camera LED, on this side power button, warm buttons, front side display 6.5 inch, downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM card, okay. Turn on device, we have Full HD AMOLED 120 Hz display, open settings, about phone. We have ColorOS 16, Android 16, battery 6500 mAh, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 CPU, okay. Look, Geekbench 6 results, single core score, multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Look, AnTuTu benchmark results, AnTuTu benchmark score, okay, and PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level, very high graphic level, and it's good. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. We have 0.6 camera, max zoom 10x, video we can record 4K 30 fps. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.